Orientalist V. Grigoriev proves that Say, or Sai, means Scythians in Chinese. And the scientist notes that the ethnic group came not from some removed parts of Mongolia but from the east where it was residing the banks of the Amu Darya and the Sia Darya. V. Radlov, a famous scientist and expert in Turkic language, believed that the word Kazakh meant free and independent man. This opinion was shared by A. Samoilovich. Sh. Kudiabadiyev also supported this idea and added that Kazakh meant free and independent people who established their free state. Kazakh scientist Sich. Velikhanov wrote that Kazakh was a very respectful and sacred word meaning powerful, strong, and inspired. Fizlullah ibn Rusbayan, one of the greatest Iranian political thinkers,